Hey MegaMathKids, my name is number 5, and today we're going to learn how to add by the number 5. Now before we start, let's do a warm-up exercise. Let's see if you guys can recognize which group of stars represents the number 5. Okay MegaMathKids, can you tell me which set of stars represents the number 5? The red stars or the yellow stars? Okay, is it the red stars? Yes, MegaMathKids, yes! Yes, MegaMathKids, yes! Okay, is it the yellow stars? No, MegaMathKids, no! No, MegaMathKids, no! If you picked the red stars, you're right! Awesome job, MegaMathKids! Let's try another round! Now this time we have suns and moons. What set represents the number 5? Okay, is it the moons? Yes, MegaMathKids, yes! Yes, MegaMathKids, yes! Okay, is it the suns? No, MegaMathKids, no! No, MegaMathKids, no! If you pick the moons, you are right. Awesome job, MegaMathKids! Okay, MegaMathKids, now that you are warmed up, let's do some math. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 7. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 9. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 11. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 12. Awesome job, MegaMathKids! Now you know how to add by the number 5. Alright, MegaMathKids, let's see if you can do it on your own. If you don't know how to write yet, it's okay. Just say the answers out loud. For those of you that can write, get a pencil and a sheet of paper. Now get ready for the MegaMathKid race. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do 8 addition problems. Don't be nervous, it's just like we practice. Are you ready, MegaMathKids? Are you ready, MegaMathKids? Okay. Ready, set, math! Great job, MegaMathKids! Time to check our answers. For those of you who are still learning, get a parent to help you check. If you got some right, great job. If you didn't, it's okay. You'll do better next time. Yes, you did it! You completed the MegaMathKid race. Now you are officially a MegaMathKid. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.
Math, MegaMathKids.